doot, and we're rolling. So, this is what failure looks like. Solid piece of plastic. I don't even know what happened. Like, can somebody explain this to me? Like, look at this. Look, it's printing fine. It's printing. Like, it prints all this. This is like, mostly fine. You can just not much to complain about, but prints about, I don't know, about here. Can you focus, camera? Yay high. I don't know how thick that is. I should put the calipers on it then, but anyways. And then it decides, like, oh, no, the layers are over this way now. You know what, actually? What actually might have happened. Okay, I think I understand now. I just had a revelation. So, this, I didn't. One, it's extremely long, and I haven't like zip tied it in with the other cable. So maybe what happened is that this somehow hit one of the one of these little, where is it? Can you focus, camera? These little things, these little switches that tells the printer where it is. If one of those got hit, then that would mean that it would then think that it's no longer where it was. So then we would correct for that and move to where it thinks it should be. And then that would make it be off kilter, right? Yeah. And the fact that it only really moved sideways, right? It didn't really move. Yeah, it only appears to have moved sideways, not like forward or back. So that would indicate that this switch here got hit by something. So it thought it was at like the 0 on that axis. Huh. Well, that's disappointing. But that means I don't have to reslice. So we're gonna call that an okay thing. What is that? The heck? I don't know what that is. Anyways, yeah, that's it for that part. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's just. It just really thought it was. Huh. Well, I have part of a wheel. You know what we can do? Here, we'll do this real quick. We will go and compare this to the size of the wheel that came off the darn thing to make sure it's the right size. That's what we'll do. Alright. Lawnmower we're trying to fix. Here's the one remaining original wheel. Okay, it might be a smidge big. I mean, that's fine. Alright. That shouldn't be too terrible. We'll just, I don't know what we'll do. I definitely don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. Keep it around, throw it out, melt it into, like, that would be, I don't know, something. But yeah, that's, frustrating. Because that was like, what day is it now? It's Wednesday. And I started this on Monday night. Ay, ay, ay. Oh well. Alright, printer. Well, let's see. You know what? We'll do this. We'll see if we can find... Because I know I have zip ties somewhere. I just don't know where they are. So... How do we want to do this to keep... Nothing over here. I don't think so. Oh, wait, what's that? Is that something? No, that's not something. That's not what we need. Although it could be. Right here. Okay, so, hear me out here. So we're gonna set you guys up here so that I can have two hands. We're just gonna put all that stuff together. Pull that through like that. And then I don't know what to do with that. Tie a knot in it. Sure. Maybe that'll work. This might work. I don't know whether this will work or not. There we go. That should stay out of the way and not... Yeah, alright. Let's auto home it again, just cause... No... Main... Print from TF... Come on. Wheel. Alright, now. Control. Temperature. Nozzle. I don't know why, but for some reason it's not pulling the temperature that the nozzle is supposed to be set to from the little card, so I'm having to set it by hand, which, I mean, isn't terrible, I guess, but, yeah, main, info screen, alright, so that'll heat up, and then we'll bring you guys an update when it's, more done. Cool. So, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more stuff from me, subscribe. That's always very much appreciated. If you know anybody who's interested in this kind of stuff, share it with them, because that's a thing people can do. That'd be cool. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much it, yeah. So, well, there's one other thing. Have a good day.